Let's do this. All right. It's that time for lunchtime rhyme. The time is currently 12:49. I'm about to spit some well, not spit. I'm about to share some poems and lines. So before you can sit down and dine. Okay, my name is EK. I've got lines for every day. Oh my days. All right, right. Let's do this real quick. I know you're struggling, but have faith. It's like everyone's making progress, but you are delayed. Don't hate, congratulate, appreciate. Your time is coming. God is never late. I know you don't like your job, but be happy you're alive on today's date. There is hope for you. A dead man can't wash plates. Stay joyful, stay thankful. You've got breath in your nostril. I know many people who would love to change places with you, but they're in the hospital. The year is still young. You have still got time. Don't compare yourself with anybody. Stay focused on your finish line. God bless. See you later.